Have you ever wondered how you could make money online without doing much work? Well, today, I'm about to show you 3 incredibly lazy ways to make $172 or more a day using DeepSeek. These methods are so easy that you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. But here's the thing. Most people overlook these because they think making easy money is too good to be true. Spoiler alert, it's not. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 easy money-making strategies that actually work, even if you have zero money to start. All right, let's get into it. DeepSeek is one of those platforms that most people completely sleep on because they think it's just another research tool. But the truth is, there are hidden ways to use DeepSeek to make real money without working a typical 9-to-5 grind. The first method is selling AI-powered research reports, which can make you anywhere from $172 to $300 per day. To be honest, nobody enjoys doing research. It's boring, time-consuming, and honestly, kind of a pain. But businesses, bloggers, and students will literally pay you to do it for them. Here's how: go to Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer.com and create a gig offering deep market research reports, or AI-powered competitive analysis. Then use DeepSeek to generate high-quality reports in minutes, what would normally take hours of manual searching. Package the findings into a professional PDF, you can use Canva for free, and charge anywhere from $50 to $150 per report. The best part? Most freelancers are still doing this manually, which means you'll be faster and more efficient than the competition. Secret tip: offer bulk packages like 5 competitor analysis reports for $300 to maximize earnings without extra effort. The second method is viral blog content creation, which can bring in $172 to $250 per day. Have you ever noticed how random websites pop up overnight and get millions of views? What's the secret? They're using AI-driven research to create blog posts faster than anyone else, and they're making passive income from ads and affiliate links. Here's how you do it. First, use DeepSeek to find trending, low-competition blog topics. Seriously, this is the secret no one is telling you. Then, generate high-quality research on the topic in seconds. Copy-paste the insights into ChatGPT or another AI writing tool to turn them into SEO-optimized blog posts. Finally, post them on a free blogging site like Medium or a self-hosted WordPress blog with ads and affiliate links. You don't need to be a writer, you don't need SEO knowledge. Just rinse and repeat. If one blog post makes you $5 a day, imagine having 50 of them. That's passive income stacking without lifting a finger. The third and laziest method is YouTube cash cow videos, which can make you anywhere from $200 to $500 per day. You've seen those top 10 channels, right? They make thousands of dollars every month without ever showing their face. Here's how you can cash in on YouTube the lazy way using DeepSeek. First, use DeepSeek to find trending YouTube topics before they go viral. Then, gather deep research on the topic automatically and paste it into an AI script generator like ChatGPT to create a full YouTube script in minutes. Use text-to-speech tools like 11 Labs or Speechelo to narrate the script, and add stock footage using free video editors like CapCut or Canva. Once your channel gets monetized, you can start making passive ad revenue and affiliate commissions. People are making $5,000 plus per month doing this, so why can't you? It's as easy as that. We just went over 3 of the easiest ways to make money online using DeepSeek. Selling AI-powered research reports. So businesses and students pay you to do what AI does in seconds. Creating viral blog content where AI finds the best topics and you make passive ad revenue. And YouTube automation, where AI does the research, script writing, and narration for you. The laziest money comes from systems that work for you instead of you working for them. So if you made it this far, you now have 0 excuses to not start making money online. If you found this valuable, drop a like, comment below. Seriously, it helps me out a lot. And subscribe because I've got even crazier money-making methods coming soon. Now go start making some easy money the lazy way. See you in the next one.